The following is brought to you by the International Food Information Council Foundation, which is dedicated to communicating science-based information on health, nutrition, and food safety for the public good.
In recipes that call for sugar, I'd like to use a sweetener with fewer calories, but I'm not sure if this is okay. What's the scoop?
Using low-calorie sweeteners in place of sugar can be a great way to cut the number of calories in a recipe. The key is to use the right sweetener for the type of food or beverage you're preparing. Aspartame, the low-calorie sweetener in the blue box or packets, is not heat-stable, so you don't want to use it when you're baking. But it is good for foods that don't require heating, like this 8-ounce strawberry banana smoothie. When made with an aspartame-based sweetener, it has only about 90 calories, which are from the fruit. Compare that to 130 calories if it's made with table sugar. Sucralose, found in the yellow packets, as well as other low-calorie sweeteners like saccharin, can be used in both heated foods and chilled recipes. Take sucralose. In the granulated form, a cup of sucralose-based sweetener is equal in sweetness to a cup of sugar. All low-calorie sweeteners have some calories, but considerably fewer than regular sweeteners. For example, a cup of granulated sucralose-based sweetener has only 96 calories, compared to 774 for table sugar. That's a huge difference. When you're making foods and beverages like homemade iced tea, salad dressings, or sweet sauces, you just swap a cup of granulated sucralose-based sweetener for a cup of sugar. That's an easy substitution. But in some recipes, it's best to replace only some of the sugar. That's because sugar does more than just sweeten foods. It helps baked goods brown and hold moisture. Brown sugar gives cookies that crunchy, chewy texture we all love. So replace only the white sugar with a sucralose-based sweetener in your favorite homemade cookie recipe. And baked goods made with little or no sugar cook more quickly than those with sugar. So if you're substituting with a sucralose-based sweetener, you should check for doneness a few minutes earlier than the recipe calls for. For best results, look for recipes that have been created for use with a low-calorie sweetener. Low-calorie sweeteners can be used in a wide variety of recipes, from chili to desserts. Enjoying these lower-calorie foods throughout the day can add up to big calorie savings. The same goes for beverages. A large sweet tea, for example, can have as many as 250 calories compared to 30 or fewer in a version made with a low-calorie sweetener. Of course, just because they have fewer calories doesn't mean it's okay to go wild on indulgent foods all the time. You still need to eat a healthful diet and pay attention to how much you're eating and exercising. But low-calorie sweeteners can help you enjoy these special treats from time to time. Giving you the scoop, I'm registered dietitian Karolin O'Nil.
This has been brought to you by the International Food Information Council Foundation. For more information on low-calorie sweeteners, visit www.foodinsight.org/sweeteners.aspx.